Dear students of Standard 6, let us continue with your grammar class. And you know the title of your book, Grammar Way, and the publisher is Macmillan Education. We have started with the noun. We finished nouns, singular nouns, and nouns gender. We have just entered, and I have explained to you what is nouns gender. There we have three genders, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, and common gender, that we are neuter gender. Okay, we have masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. These are the four genders that we have seen, and I have explained to you what is the meaning of masculine gender, what is the meaning of feminine gender, what is the meaning of common gender, and what is the meaning of neuter gender. Masculine gender refers to male members, feminine gender refers to female members or species, and common gender refers to either male or female, and neuter gender refers neither to male or female, but it refers to lifeless objects. That is what we have seen in the lesson 3. Now we'll just get into the exercises. So exercises, rewrite the nouns given in box in the correct column. One has been done for you. So we have seen these are the different nouns that what is called, they are given nouns. So they belong to one of these categories, either masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, or neuter gender, in one of these categories. So above all those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 nouns are there and one or. So these nouns falls into one of these categories. Maybe masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, or neuter gender. So you just write which is what type of gender. So you just, here you have this, all blocks are here, you can write whether they belong to masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, or neuter gender. They one of them. So please try to understand. I have explained to you. If you have really understood what is feminine gender, what is masculine gender, what is common gender, and what is neuter gender, if you have understood, then you will be able to write your answer here in this column. I am not going to write any one of these. So you have to make use of your brain and just write the answer. And exercise B, rewrite these sentences by changing the gender of highlighted nouns. You can make changes that may be necessary. One has been done for you. So here first one is, the horses were standing quietly in the stable munching the fresh hay. So here they have given you in what is called in blue letter word, okay, blue letter word, which is the gender. So we have to change that gender. If it is a what is called a feminine gender, we have to make it a masculine gender. Change the gender. So horse is masculine gender. You have to change it to feminine gender. Mare is the feminine gender here. So here the lioness was lying in the shade of the tree with her cubs. So I will do for you this one. The lioness is feminine gender. So masculine gender is, the lion was lying in the shade of the tree with her cub. The lion was lying in the shade of the tree with his cubs. It will come, you have to change here. Okay, with his cub. So we have to change here. Okay, you have to change here. It is a male, therefore with his it will come. So I have done for you 1. So next one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to do by yourself. Now, exercise 3. Take the correct option. One has been done for you. So we have each number is a question. Here each number is a question. So understand the meaning of the question. Which of the following does not belong to common gender? So these are the words. You have to see which does not belong to a common gender. Officer, principal, waiter or pilot. So which does not belong to a common gender. So officer can be male or female, principal also can be male or female, or pilot can be male or female. So waiter is not a common gender because this belongs to a masculine gender. So what is the which of the following does not belong to a common gender? So this is a masculine gender, therefore that has to be ticked. Waiter becomes waitress. Which of the following belongs to the neuter gender? Here, which of the following belongs to the neuter gender? What is neuter gender? Neuter gender refers to neither male or female, but it neither refers to lifeless object. Station, hare, applicant, peacock. Which of the following belongs to the common gender? Okay, sorry, this one. Number 2. Which of the following belongs to the neuter gender? So what is neuter gender here? This one cannot be neuter gender. This cannot be neuter gender because all this camel is a living thing, and also shepherd is also living thing, rhinoceros also living thing. Eraser is a lifeless thing. You erase when you write something with your pencil. When there is mistake, you erase. That is a lifeless thing. Therefore, this eraser will be the neuter gender. So here we can see. Okay. So I have done for you number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7 and number 8. You will do it by yourself. This also is just like a little, we have to make use of your brain. Some are feminine gender, some are masculine gender. So one is feminine gender, one is masculine gender. You know what is, I will do only one for you, that is number 8. So you have to go down. It is written across means this way, and down means you have to come down. So ram, male member of sheep is called a ram, and female member of sheep is known as ewe. So ram is masculine and ewe is feminine gender. So likewise it is a what is called for you to make use of your brain and try to write the answer. So my dear students, do not neglect to write your homework in your copy. If it is asked to you to write in the copy, you write in the copy, and if you are asked to write in your homework, in your book, you write it in your book. So when you come in the next class, or when you come for the class, we will be checking first your homeworks which we have all given to you. So for today this much. We will get into next chapter in the next class. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.